So if you have a DJI gimbal like the RS3 Mini, well, I have some great accessories here that I want to share with you that will make this a lot easier and more pleasant to use. And because it's Thursday, let's just get right to it. And the first thing I want to share is this small rig arm. And it's really easy because you could just put it on that little M4 accessory joint that you have on your gimbal. It has a safety clamp mechanism and you can tighten this thing down and it's not going to go anywhere. And you have this handle that you can adjust at different angles, and it gives you the ability to be a lot more creative with it. That way it can act like a briefcase handle, so if you want to get some low to the ground shots, you can hold onto this really easily. And you can also unlock this and you can adjust it in different ways. So if it's easier to hold it like this, or if you want to put it like up against your shoulder or something like that, well, this gives you the ability to change it around. But also you have a cold shoe mount here and a 1/4 inch thread mount as well, so you can add a monitor or a mic or a light. And also at the bottom of the handle, you have a cold shoe and a 1/4 thread mount as well. So it is lightweight, but also really strong, really sturdy. Some people might complain that the handle might be a little bit slick or slippery, but to me, it holds really well. Like, I'm holding onto it. I don't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hands. But then again, you can also just get some grip tape if you need a little bit more traction. But all in all, an arm like this is a must-have with your gimbal. Just makes it so much easier to just have two hands at the ready. And then in turn, just helps you be a lot more steady with your gimbal shots. And keeping with small rig, they also have this vertical arm that will actually replace the vertical arm, making it go lower down so you have a lower center of gravity, making it work better with your bigger cameras and bigger lenses. So it's easy to install. You just take this one off and you pop this one on. It has all the same clamps and measurements and everything like that. But also small rig has their own mounting plate for like a Swiss Arca mount. So if you have a standard tripod with a Swiss Arca mount, this is great because you can put this on here, and that way the mount that you have for your camera already will just be able to pop off that and pop onto this really easily. And that works with a lot of accessories. And this is definitely quality made. It's got all the right buttons and all the right dials and all the right clamps to make it secure. But if you want something that's super quick, you should look at Ulanzi's Falcon 38 quick release system plate that you could put on here. Now, if you have the Falcon 38 plate already, because they have some really cool mounts, they can work with products from their tripods to backpack mounts and many other accessories. So you have their quick release system on your camera, and then it's just super easy to pop in and just clamp on like that quick. So super quick, super efficient, a really cool, just quick release system that works with a bunch of accessories. So it's really awesome. And time's up. But you can find all of these products linked down in the description or the more button below this video. So check them out, see what the current price is. And thanks for joining me on another 30-second Thursday video. There's a lot more coming up on this channel, really cool products to share with you. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.
That's our flag.